Got my haircut and we were actually gonna go to IKEA, but I think it's gonna be late. So we're just heading to Sunnybank Plaza. There's actually a lot of places to eat here in Sunnybank. I also like the dessert shops here. It's really good. I had it the last time and it was really good. Really love the haircut because this is exactly what I wanted. Just layers in the front. I think it's a U shape at the back. I give it a 10 out of 10. Got some rental and now we're at Miniso. This part of the video is sponsored by Keen. Keen is an online destination for psychic readings where you can connect to spiritual advisors based on what your questions are about or what type of topics you want to talk about. There are different categories and so many advisors out there. So the way it is delivered is through phone calls or through an online chat. And I love this part because I am a very introverted person, and to talk or even to ask something so personal to me, way out of the question. So I chose to chat with my spiritual advisor online. You can also trust all the advisors because all the conversations that you've had with the advisors will be completely confidential and safe. As you've seen already, I've just gotten my first psychic reading and I still kind of feel numb. The readings that I got was very accurate. I chose to ask about my relationships with my friends, my partner, my family. That is one of the areas I feel like I'm not very good at to maintain relationships. I feel like I'm very inconstant with how I show my love to the people close to me. One day I'm like over the top and sometimes I don't even reply to their texts. Well, the questions I asked I feel is very personal for me to share. I asked about how I can improve these certain relationships and how some of the things I do or some of the actions I did in the past affects these relationships. It was basically around these questions. I don't know how they do it, but she was so spot on with the things I've done in the past and how contrary to that I could improve myself into maintaining these relationships. Anyway, if you guys are interested to get a reading on Keen, just like I did today, it's very simple. You just have to create an account and you will have the access to choose from hundreds of readers that are online right now. And as a new customer on Keen, you can try out a 10-minute session with one of your chosen readers for just $1.99, which is up to $99 in saving. Go to trykeen.com.jitsin or click on the link that's in the description box below to have your first reading and even save big. I feel like I've been doing a lot of unboxing. I believe this would be the last batch. Yeah, just this one and the vacuum, and that's gonna be it for the house. We got a coffee machine. This one's the Nespresso Latissimo one. There's 14. Let's see. I think this should be here. Because of the apple block point slash and rice cooker is too big to be here. It's not convenient when you're cooking. And this one's more convenient because gas is 90. Is that enough?
Yeah, it should be.
Sounded like it was puking.
It's very smooth. That should do. Two types of people. Let me try again. Let's see if is
We got a handheld vacuum from Samsung because we can't afford the Dyson. Oh, my sister told you there's it's supposed to go in here.
I want to eat pizza.
Wasn't this a different color inside?
Oh yes, man. It was supposed to be like rose gold.
I think they gave us the wrong one. I'm gonna try using it once, and you can just see that it's not as noisy. It's not very loud. We were just vacuuming the place yesterday and we realized that one of the attachments was missing. So we went back to the store and asked them. And we also realized that the vacuum we were shown on display was different from the one we bought. And they actually gave us the one they showed us on display. One's actually the more powerful one, and it's also more expensive. So we actually got the better version of the vacuum for the same price. So yeah, we got around $70–80 discount. Let's unbox. Wow, Dama, look at this rose gold.
Yeah.
Ooh, so cute. Oh my goodness, so pretty. We're going out for dinner. She wanted to have Korean
Spicy chicken.
So we're gonna go to Sunnybank. And I was also wearing this because I don't want to wear my lenses. This is our outfit. I really am craving sugar puff right now. Really like their waffles. So we might go and check that out as well. I think I have my glasses. I can't see and I don't want to wear my lenses. Should I wear this? Might look good, huh? Oh, I forgot my phone.
I do it like this. It is currently 8:08.
So pretty. We're on the wait list, so we're just waiting outside with the rest of the people. just been playing solitaire. But we also did a smart thing and booked a table online. It's for 8:30. So we're just gonna go with whichever comes first.
That was my idea.
No, it was mine.
It was mine.
You found it, but it was me who said we should book it. We got seated finally. The wait time was over 40 minutes.